Namaste. My name is Hariharan Iyer, the entertainer, motivational speaker, corporate trainer, internationally certified trainer, author, and Reiki Grandmaster. I welcome you to my YouTube channel, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel because there are a lot of interesting videos that I keep posting from time to time. Today, I want to talk to you about a very important subject, which is mental health. Everybody is talking about it, but I think given the times that we're living in, obviously it's a very important subject to talk about, but even otherwise, it is a very important topic to dwell upon. So I'm just going to use the acronym MIND itself, the word MIND itself, and just share some thoughts with you in terms of how you can manage your mind in a better way. Because while we have this great physical body, we actually live through the mind. So it's how the mind shapes your life. And that is what we need to understand. So M stands for meditation. And I have been a regular meditator for almost 30 years, more than 30 years. And I realized the value of meditation. And I can tell you one thing, you can read any amount of great books. You can have a lot of positive thinking. You can do a lot of other kinds of stuff to psych you or self up positively. But I can tell you one thing, there is no better system, medicine, or whatever you want to call it, than meditation. You got to learn to meditate because the mind generates so many thoughts every second, every minute, that it's only meditation which gives you direction and gives your thoughts a channel to flow seamlessly. So learn meditation. It's extremely important, and practice meditation every day for at least 15 to 30 minutes, whatever works for you. And any time of the day, you can do it any time of the day. You can also check out my YouTube video on Reiki. And you will be able to learn meditation by watching that video also. I stands for inputs. What kind of inputs is your mind getting? Are you surrounded by a lot of negativity, or you are surrounded by a decent amount of positivity and very balanced people? So it's extremely important to understand what kind of inputs your mind is getting. Are you reading good books? Are you watching good stuff? And also, are you eating good stuff, things which are more necessary for your physical and mental development in a positive way. So N is for navigation. What do we have to do in life really? We have to navigate through various situations, contexts, challenges and problems. And we also got to manage the good times, and we also got to manage the not so good times. So navigation is a skill, and the skill comes through a lot of introspection. This skill comes by talking to people who are better than you, who are more knowledgeable than you, have more wisdom than you, surrounding yourself with really good, mature people, reading some great books, finding answers to your questions, introspecting, and also practicing a certain sense of balance in relationships. I can tell you one thing, one of the big challenges of mental health comes from the way we manage our relationships. Don't be too attached. Learn a certain sense of detachment. Like I always like to say that practice active detachment and passive attachment. Active detachment, passive attachment. D is for development. So your mind needs to develop itself. Now what happens is when we're born a small baby, and then the body automatically starts growing itself. You don't really make any efforts to gain height or grow yourself. It just happens naturally. But as far as the mind is concerned, a certain amount of effort is required in developing the mind. So how do you develop the mind? It goes back to meditation. So that's the foundation. When you are meditating, your mind is able to develop itself in a better way. Also, reading good books, meeting good people, acquiring a lot of good skills which are important for your personal as well as your professional life. So upgrading yourself from time to time. So this is extremely important to understand, that if you got to really lead a good life, you got to learn to manage your mind in a better way. So M for meditation, I for inputs, N for navigation, and D for development. Hope you got some more insights from this video in terms of how you can lead a more mentally healthy life. Do take good care of yourself, and I do look forward to hearing from you and knowing your views. And please do comment on the video, and please do share it with everyone. Thank you.